Mounting the LokkLatch gate latch is quick and easy on most gates. Self-drilling fixing screws are supplied in the latch. The mounting bracket can be rotated and positioned to suit left or right swinging gates. When positioned as required, simply move the mounting bracket into the main latch body, clip in place and fix it using the single stainless screw supplied. Determine how high your latch should be mounted on the fence post and install the latch body using 4 of the black self-drilling screws supplied. Now take the striker bolt housing and line it with the centre of the latch body before installing 4 more screws. Note the adjustment slots in the striker housing that allow you to easily align the latch parts. Close the gate and check that the latch engages smoothly and correctly. Insert the key to ensure it locks and unlocks. Your LokkLatch gate latch is now ready for use.